How to redeem your gift card on the iconic. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can redeem your gift card on the iconic, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your iconics account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Okay, so on this page you can see different products that you can get, right? And the next step is to navigate through to the store credit option. All right, now move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon, your wish list, and then your shopping bag. Then you click on your profile icon. In the box displayed, scroll down and click on store credit. Okay, so after clicking on store credit, you'll be brought to the store credits page. On this page, next thing to do is to enter in your gift card number in here. Then after typing in your gift card number in here, just click on redeem, and then just like that, your gift card would be redeemed. Okay, very simple. All right, and then by the time it is redeemed and your store credit has been increased, you can now use this credit card to make purchases while getting your products. All right, so this is how it works. This is how you can redeem your gift card on the iconic. Thanks for watching and have a good day.